Today we are here to demonstrate the proper assembly of an F2159 or F1807 insert crimp fitting, either plastic or metal, for STR9 PEX or PERT tubing. The first thing that you want to do is ensure that you cut your tubing square so that you can make a good connection. Once the tubing has been cut, you will place your crimp ring over the tubing. Once the crimp ring has been placed, you will insert your fitting fully. You want to be sure that your crimp ring is between 1/8 and 1/4 inch from the end of the fitting. There are a variety of tools that can be used to make these joints. In this case, I will use a hand compact crimp tool. You will place the crimp tool over the ring, squeeze fully, then release. Once released, you will take your go, no-go gauge to ensure that it fits over the fitting appropriately. If the go side fits and the no-go side does not, you have made a proper connection.